Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be working on the 89 CRX again today. We're going to be doing the trailer arms and we're going to be finishing up the exhaust. Stay tuned. We're going to start on these rear drums. We get that stainless steel line on. We got a bolt here. We got a bolt back in here. There's one on the back side here. We get this camber adjustment piece arm off here. Place it with the new one. Get that strut out. You should be able to slide in that new one and put the new cable on. This Milwaukee tool makes life so much easier.
Yeah, buddy. Anybody want some used shocks? Got them for you.
guys, update. We got that whole trailing arm out. We also took out the exhaust. That was getting in the way of everything else I need to do. Plus we got a brand new exhaust that we're gonna put on there. Let's go check it out. That's the original exhaust that came with it. It's an aftermarket OBX eBay special, but this thing is hideous. Weld job on the bolt-in section there. Too lazy to replace the gasket, so they just welded it shut. That's alright though. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, it's installed. New struts, coilover suspensions put in there. The new blocks, camber arm. And then we got those stainless steel brake lines in. Should be good to go. We'll get that other side done and we'll finish up. Hey guys, we got the brakes bled. Everything worked out really well. We're going to work on the exhaust next that I purchased. It's a Tannable medallion. We're going to paint the rear section black to blend it in, make it a little more sleeper look. But other than that, we're going to keep on going working on this thing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is the rear section that I'm working on. Letting it dry right now. But this is the Tannable rear section of the exhaust. Originally this car had an OBX exhaust on it, which was terrible. We're going to paint this black. We're going to paint the other side here and we'll get it installed and we'll see how it sounds. Alright guys, we got the Tannable medallion exhaust all painted and installed. Looks pretty nice. Nice and stealthy. The last thing I want to show you guys that we're going to finish up today is we got some nice Integra GSR rims wrapped in some nice new Hankook Ventillas tires there. Should look good. We're going to put those on right now and then we'll show you what the car looks like with it. New coilovers. Alright guys, we're back. We just finished the rear drums and made that disc swap and put those coilover sets in. It was a lot of work. As you can tell on my face, I am greasy. But we got it done. We're going to finish up the car here soon. We're going to get the exhaust on. We're going to get the wheels. And we're going to get it all lined. So stay tuned. Keep watching.